Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, let us see key answer of achievement test 1. The lessons selected for FA1 are the advent of Europeans to India, the extension of the British rule, the impact of the British rule in India, challenges of India and their remedies, social stratification, India geographical position and physical features, India seasons, India soils. First main, 4 choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. The Diwani rights over Bengal were handed over to the British by Mir Jafar Shah Alam II, Shuja-ud-Dawla, Mir Qasim. Correct answer is option B, Shah Alam II. An agreement entered between Marathas and British at the end of First Anglo-Maratha War was. An agreement entered between Marathas and British at the end of First Anglo-Maratha War was Madras Basin Mangalore Salbai. Correct answer is option D, Salbai. Second main, answer the following questions in a sentence each. Which is the land tax system implemented by Alexander Reed? Correct answer is Raytwari system. Raytwari system is the land tax system implemented by Alexander Reed. Which institution is in existence to curb corruption in Karnataka? Lokayukta. Lokayukta is in existence to curb corruption in Karnataka. Third main, answer the following questions in 4 sentences each. Write about the Sslc range. These hills are the most recent formation and are located in the southern part. They have lesser height. They are also called the foothills of the Himalayas. These hills have narrow strips of plains or valleys which are called dunes. For example, Dehradun, Kota, Patli, Chaukamba, Udhampur and Kotli. These are about 600 to 1500 meters above the sea level. Indian agriculture gambling with the monsoon winds. Discuss. The southwest monsoons control the agriculture of India, which is the main occupation of Indians. Failure of rainfall leads to drought. When the monsoons are heavy, there are floods. They also cause to destruction to life and property. Hence, it is said that Indian agriculture is a gamble with the monsoons. Or, what are the factors influenced on climate of India? Latitude, height from the sea level, distance from the sea, direction of the winds, mountain ranges, ocean currents. Fourth main, answer the following questions in 6 sentences each. What is meant by soil conservation? List out its methods. Prevention of soil erosion and protecting the fertility of the soil is known as conservation of soil. Soil conservation methods are counterflowing, construction of bunds around the agriculture land, development of terraced agricultural fields, prevention of deforestation and encouragement of afforestation, control of livestock grazing, planned use of water, construction of check dams, etc. What were The conditions under subsidiary alliance explain. The Indian kings had to keep the British army in their kingdom. The state concerned had to bear the expenses of the army and the wages of soldiers and also had to give certain revenue lands as well. The king had to have a British resident in his court. The king could not appoint any other European without the permission of the British. In order to enter into any agreement or pact with any Indian state, the permission of the Governor General was mandatory. In return for all these services, the company would offer protection to the state from any internal or external aggression. Or, what were the effects of British land taxes? A new class of zamindars who exploited the farmers was created. The farmers who were subjected to the exploitation of the zamindars became landless slowly. Land became a commodity, loans could be raised by mortgaging the lands. Many zamindars also had to mortgage their lands in order to pay the land taxes. The agricultural sector became commercialized and had to grow raw materials needed by industries back in England. The money lenders became strong. Fifth main, answer the following questions in 8 sentences each. Explain how Martanda Varma checked the Dutch. He controlled the surrounding areas and made them to oppose the Dutch. The Dutch, with the help of provinces like Kayamkulam, Kochi, Purakkad, Vadakunkur, attacked on Travancore. Raja Martanda defeated them and captured Nedumangala and Kottarakara trading centers. He also wrote a strong letter to the Dutch that he would never give up the trade rights of pepper to any foreigners. The Dutch declared war on Travancore with Kottarakara province in the forefront, but Martanda Varma's army strongly sent it back. The Dutch came back to Cochin, but with the help of Simhali's forces, the Dutch attacked Martanda Varma. 4 days serious battle took place at Kolachal. Finally, Travancore army had an upper hand in the battle and 24 important officers of the Dutch were taken as prisoners. The Dutch suffered huge loss. After the battle, he did not keep quiet. He decided to root out the Dutch from India and established the trade rights of pepper in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. He also got back the ports which were in the control of the Dutch. Or, what are the legal measures to eradicate untouchability? The Article 17 of the Indian Constitution prohibits untouchability. The Government of India has implemented Untouchability Offences Act in 1955. Protection of Civil Rights Act was implemented in 1976 with the necessary changes to the Act of 1955. According to this act, practice of untouchability is a crime. Universal right to vote and participate in election has also been provided. A reservation has been given in the field of education and employment for SC/ST along with backward classes. The SC and ST Act of 1989 has given some specific responsibilities for the government in the eradication of untouchability. Draw an outline map of India and mark the following in it. The Tropic of Cancer, Indira Point. A. The Tropic of Cancer. B. Indira Point.